Hey, it's your girl Timar. I'm here to give a clarity on a video that was posted last week Saturday, the week before last Saturday, on a Belizean girl that was doing a vlogging, walking around in the city. She went to the market. I was at the market at the moment, so she asked me if she could have given me a little interview and stuff like that. It wasn't really an interview. She just wanted to ask my views and opinion towards living in Jamaica, the difference between living in Jamaica and living in Belize. I've seen videos on YouTube with persons who visited Jamaica who is a Belizean, and they speak about our jerk chicken, our pork, our denomination. So I was wondering, why did Belizean come at me like that with so many hateful respond in the comment section, as if I am a threat to them, which is, I can convince myself that I am a threat to them. If I go back to Jamaica, them are gonna stop live the life for them I live, and if I go back to Jamaica, them are gonna sit down and actually navigate how they can change them lifestyle and their situation and clean up their acts and be better off in life. So obviously, me being in Belize, I enter them from the what is right. That's what I gathered from the response. Because everything, oh, go back to Jamaica, go back to Jamaica. I am married to a Belizean. I live in Belize. I don't have to agree with what I say. That not comes with me be living in here. I just don't agree with it. Jamaican woman them bad. But me go tell you the difference between Jamaican woman them badness and Belizean woman them badness. Jamaican females is gonna make sure that them there with a man or there with two man for build big house and buy car. Belizean woman them not do that. That's the difference with the two badness. If Jamaican woman get jacket, the jacket when them get to the man is because the man is in a better position and the child is gonna be okay. So me that kind of see with that. But it don't make no sense to give jacket to a man who broke out hungry and can't mind the picnic. That don't make no sense to me. And when I say Jamaica, you get richer in a Jamaica faster than Belize, because we have millionaire artists. Which artists in a Belize go to prison for 13 years and come back and keep a concert and land 25 jets all over the world in a Belize. Belize, and come on the comment section and tell me, come here, wait. Which international artist in a Belize who is a Belizean make Chris Brown and Drake and all of them come a